If your sink, toilet or electric shower is leaking, you should be able to isolate it to stop the leak. Firstly, it's really important to find out where the leak is coming from. For example, do you only have a leak when you flush the toilet, or is it a constant leak? Next, check if any of your pipes are wet, and if they are, where does the leak start? A good tip is to try and follow the pipe upwards from where the leak is showing. This should help you find the source of the leak. If you can see that the waste or trap pipework is leaking, don't use this appliance, as this will, in effect, isolate the leak. If the leak is from one of your water supply pipes, there's usually a service valve, also known as an isolation or penny valve, that you can turn off. You can find these valves on the supply pipe to your toilet system, tap or shower. If you can't find it, they look like they have a screw head in the middle of the valve. Once you find it, you'll be able to tell that it's open because the screw head will be in line with the pipe. To close the valve and stop the water flow, turn it 90 degrees so the screw head is perpendicular to the pipe, not in line with it. This should stop the water flow and therefore stop the leak. It's really important to trace the leak first so you can make sure it's downstream of the valve. If the leak is upstream of the valve, turning the valve off won't stop it. Once you've isolated the leak, get in touch with us to book a repair. If the leak is coming from the bath, the steps are a little bit trickier as there are panels in front of the pipes. If you think your bath is leaking, please get in touch as we'll need to take a look.